Hey guys, I'm Shu, and today's video is gonna be a quick review about WorldProfit, my very honest review. So I've been with WorldProfit about maybe a week and a half. I started using their free traffic first, which is basically just post an ad and you just let it sit, right? So basically, I actually upgraded to their silver, and here's my honest review of you guys. So basically, like I said, I started like a week and a half ago, and I decided to use their ad tracker about a couple of days ago. I started around what the 13th of October, 2023, and yeah, it does work. The clicks, people randomly click on these um, ads that you post, and does it convert well? I'm not too sure because they said that they are highly targeted, and I've tested highly targeted ads before, and where a lot of clicks actually lead to signups. But I probably got to maybe over, who knows, 5,000 views plus in the last uh week and a half, and only gotten only two signups. So I wouldn't know. I don't know if I could say that's highly targeted. But anyways, what role topic basically is you're just gonna just follow the training, which is setting your profile, signing up to a lot of sites, a lot of spammy sites. So you're gonna need to have a Gmail, which they recommend, and basically have a spare email. As when you sign up for these websites, you get a ton of spam. So let's go check my spam box to show you, right? So I signed up to only like three of the traffic sites that they recommended, but there's like a bunch, like 30 or 18 of them, or maybe more, who knows? Because I actually have gone through the entire full training, but I've gone through the gist of where they say that you follow these two videos and you start promoting your offers or World Profit, wherever you want to promote. So basically, look at this. I signed up for not even like 2 days, and you get all these tons of traffic spam into your email, which is very annoying, which I didn't like. So I turned all these into basically spam. And then let's talk about their support. So I emailed the support and I asked them, questions like, I don't get how you promote. Is this genuine? Because when you sign up to their websites, there's so many sites that look like it's spammy, or do people actually click on this stuff? So I think it was here. Yeah. So let's say you join these websites, right? So let's go check out this one here. Traffic Hog. So basically, you sign up for these websites. All these websites are just like 18 of them here. Well, more than 18 actually. It's actually 34. And then I only signed to only three. This one has worked for me so far. This one, you have to keep watching about, who knows, a lot of ads. Wait about 15 seconds for every time you click on them and earn your credits, and then finally you could post onto this website and get like 20 views guaranteed or more. But you're spending about 15 seconds on this site watching free ads and then get credited them, and then you're able to post them. This one I wasn't able to get to work because it was just a bunch of freaking spam, and I hated that. So I just gave up on this one right here. But who knows about these other ones I haven't tried yet. But you go slow because there's a lot of signing up. You're looking to sign up over like 35 websites that are very spammy looking, like this. Watch. This one was easy to navigate, but there's a lot of spam, a lot of ads. You have to take your time to go through it. Like this. Like every time you click on this website, it's gonna send you somewhere else, and you have to keep click home, and then you log in, and then from there on out, try to get your into their ad mailer, and then finally post your ad, and it's a lot of spam. So it's very spammy, very confusing to navigate because they don't show you how to do for every single site. They show you maybe only the first one on Hercules and expect you to do everything yourself, which is very, I don't know. Sometimes it's very, you have this message to support Traffic Hog. I messaged them, and then they reply back to me maybe after like 40 hours later. And Hercules, I figured it myself, and State of Art Miller hasn't messaged me back, so who knows? Some of these someone probably won't message you back. But anyways, back to World Profit. I messaged the support. The co-founder Sandy was the one responding back to me, which I didn't know. But then, it kind of got me upset because I was asking for support, and every time I asked for support, all I got recommended was like a robot response. Go back to these videos and watch them over and over again. And I'm just like, how does that help? Like, I'm asking you what happens if I complete these tasks as you go through these videos, and you're just telling me to watch these videos over and over again. And that's the response I got. And I'm like, how does that help? Sending me back to the same links over and over again, tell me to watch this training, and I'm just like, I watched the training, I applied it. What I do, like how long does it take? What's the average time to even like just say someone start over and join your business and test this traffic and see how long it takes to get a lead and how long does it take to get a sale? Because if it's high converting and you're having thousands of views or millions of views with this source that you're claiming, how come the conversion is so low? Like I said, I got to over maybe who knows 5, 10,000 views in the last week, and I only got two clicks, which lead to 2 views. So I don't know, you guys. You tell me. Is it high converting? I wouldn't call it high converting at all because you go to YouTube, you go to Facebook, you go to Instagram, you go to TikTok, you go to any of the other social medias that are free, and you can find leads that convert faster than those 5,000, 10,000 views. I know marketing and getting leads is a numbers game, but when someone tells you that it's high converting, I don't know, you could tell that people are actually clicking on your links, but it's really hard to say it's high converting because you have to do this daily. So you're spending, they claim to set this up maybe in like 5, 10 minutes, but maybe maybe it works for them because they've done it for so long and have maybe set this up who knows and how many hours and days of training, because like I said, you're signing up for like a bunch of websites and you're just promoting your website, spamming your websites to the traffic, and that's how they claim that you make money. But you need to have a funnel in place which they don't show you, and uh, you need to have your own offer, but they want you basically to promote their program where you put your program behind it, and the chance of someone click on your program already, even though you're not promoting WorldProfit, of getting clicks on that, who knows the chance of conversion, all right? And yeah, like I said, my experience with them, I don't know if I would honestly recommend them, but their traffic does work because, like I said, I got 2 leads out of maybe like who knows like 6, 8,000 views in the first week. Is that impressive? I don't know. I don't feel too great about that because you could probably go blow out your your offer and other platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. You get a lot more views and a lot more clicks than this. So it's entirely up to you if you want to promote World Profit, which I'm not promoting them. I'm just trying to promote my offer. But I feel like when you join World Profit, I feel like what they're trying to do is just make you promote their offer and have your offer in the back end. That way you get their small commissions as it's a multiple commissions. Like everything they show you is like promote this, join this, and you get to promote that. Join this, you can promote that, and you're basically gonna feel it for every video, every offer that they tell you to watch. And this is, I think, how their business be running for 30 years. Otherwise, these small tiny commissions wouldn't work. Because who wants to promote, like if you're a high ticket film market like me, you don't want to promote $5, $10 offers, right? Where you get that many that little commission, like $5, $10 commissions, sending to thousands of viewers to click on your offer, right? It's too much work. You're gonna need like thousands of sales to just earn $1,000, which I don't want that to happen. That's why I'm promoting my offer where it only requires one sale to make over $1,000. And that's why I wouldn't want to promote small offers, even though they have a bunch of small offers on top of each other that I see as being spammy. And I don't know. I wouldn't promote World Profit in my opinion because it's too small offer. It's low ticket, and I don't want to do this that. And yeah, this is pretty much what the business is. You just follow the training, where they say follow these two videos and you start promoting right away. And then you sign up on all these websites, promote your offer every single day, and hope that you make some money by getting these leads to join and see the follow. That's what basically is. So go ahead and leave your comment and your thoughts about World Profit, because these are my honest thoughts after the first week and a half being with them. Like I said, their clicks work because I got two leads in my offer, but have they converted to sales yet? No, because it could happen in the next, who knows, couple days, couple months from now, depending how long your follow up in your sales system is. And yeah, so you're looking to get rich overnight with World Profit, it's not gonna happen. That's the honest truth. And it will take work, just like any business, which I see, but I'm not sure if I would recommend World Profit. It's entirely up to you. And like again, go ahead, leave your thoughts, comments below. And thanks for watching, you guys. This is my honest review on World Profit.